this tutorial, we are going to render our drawing or our floor plan using Photoshop. Earlier, gumawa na ako ng drawing from AutoCAD. So now, kailangan lang natin kunin yung floor plan from Photoshop. Ctrl-O, shortcut key for open file. Then, this is the drawing that I made earlier, this CAD simple floor plan. Then, open. Then, import PDF. In this section, page option, choose lead box. Kasi, hindi niya mababago yung measurement or yung drawing mo. We need to choose bleed box. Then, okay. As we can see, our background is transparent and our drawing is not that visible. So, we need to make a new layer for our background. We should go here, create new layer. Then, make it sure that our far color and our background is in white color. Then, go here, paint bucket, then click the working area. Now, our drawing is disappear. We should drop it down so that our floor plan layer is on the top. Okay, then we should rename it because if we continue this tutorial, many layers will appear in this section. Okay, now my floor plan is in red, blue, black, green. If you want to change it into black, you should click the floor plan layer. Then go to image, adjustment, then gradient map. We need to change this into black color. Okay. Then okay. As you can see, our floor plan is now in black. Then we need to lock this floor plan, this layer, and the background layer so that hindi siya magalaw. And now we're going to move on to the designing portion of this tutorial. First of all, we need to make sure that we are in the floor plan layer. And in this portion of our tutorial, we're going to use the magic wand tool so that we can select everything that we want. Okay, let's start. And another one is you need to press shift for the continuous selections. Press shifts so you can select all you want without deselecting the other version that you already selected. Okay, then now we already selected all the walls of this floor plan. From here in this bottom at the right part of the Photoshop application, this like contrast sign, then select the solid color, then choose the color that you think same or right for the walls. Yes, I think this is okay. Then as you can see, nadagdagan tayo ng new layer. Then, nasa taas na siya ng ating floor plan. Then, dapat, at the end of this tutorial, dapat tong floor plan natin is nasa taas. Siya yung pinaka-top. So, i-drop down ulit natin ito. Pero kailangan nasa center siya ng floor plan and ng background. Like this. Yan. Kailangan yung floor plan, lagi siyang nasa taas. Then, paano tayo makakapag-enter ng pattern? Meron na akong mga nakuhang mga designs or floor styles galing sa Google. Ang gagawin ko na lang is i-open siya. Para mapunta siya sa pattern, kailangan natin pumunta dito sa edit. Click the edit, then define pattern. Okay na, meron na tayong pattern. So, go back to our simple floor plan. Then, select the floor areas. Then, as you can see, hindi natin selected yung ibang area, especially dito sa door. So, gamitin lang natin itong rectangular marquee tool. Then, still press the shift to select this part. And now, the other part. Same instruction. Shift. Then, rectangular marquee. Okay, then go here in this contrast icon, then pattern. Okay, you can change the scale different to your likes. Then same instruction as before. Then same instruction. Please don't forget to like this tutorial, click the subscribe button and the bell. Thank you very much everyone.